wish I knew myself as well as I know you. I wish I could see myself the way you say you do.
I am Saint Alto and I'm working with cinema today to perform. I thought I made the name up, but actually it's some sort of Catholic saint. I'm an atheist, so I had to look that up. But apparently he was a hermit who lived in a tiny cottage in Germany and didn't speak to anyone, which was sort of fitting because that's it's like a template to live by, I think. But I liked it because I like the irony of musicians and artists having that sort of status. I can't think of worse people to elevate and listen to, and that's I think it's brilliantly indicative of our society that they're the people we decide to listen to.
I start unraveling when I drink.
I suppose this name has kind of emerged in the last year or so, but the project feels longer than that. I think I've probably been working on these songs for about 3 years or so, but the name and the idea of it being a kind of performance is probably about 6 months to a year old. I don't know what made me want to start. I suppose it would sound ridiculous to say I'm an artist first. I don't mean that in like the pompous sense, but I love making art, and I did a degree in art. Like I went to art school, and maybe I'm such a narcissist that I've had to just seek more and more ways to be in front of people. I'm not sure, but I suppose on a better day I might say that it's the best way I can explain what I want to explain at the moment. I'm not sure I'll do it forever, but at the moment it works. I don't like performing at all. So I don't have a favourite thing about it. It's like a necessity, I suppose, and performing is distinct to recording because a recording's dead as soon as you've done it. Whereas I suppose when you perform it, that's what you're doing. You're performing the song. So, what's my favourite thing about it? For me personally, not very much, but the opportunity to revive something that's died and to play a song that was dead. But I suppose that's kind of a favourite bit.
I said the drink went straight to my head. Tell me something like you love me, like you want to choose me instead. When I call you in the morning, I said the drink went straight to my head. It's just a drink went straight to my
Nothing. I don't think any of us have got anything coming up in the future. Apocalypse, haven't we? We've got the apocalypse to deal with, some sort of post-apocalyptic landscape where Trump sits on a throne of skulls, naked and covered in pig fat or something. I don't know. I imagine we'll all serve him in the same way. So yeah, not very much, I imagine.
Sometimes you gotta wait for it, and sometimes it's there. Sometimes you gotta hurt for it, and sometimes you gotta care. Oh, you're coming home with me. Oh, I don't care who sees, 'cause he don't deserve you like I do. I've tried so hard to forget you, my love. and sometimes it's free. Feels like you wanna die for it. Darling, lay next to me. Oh, you're coming home with me. Oh, I don't care who sees, 'cause he don't deserve you like I do. I've tried so hard to forget you, my love. Don't care who sees, 'cause he don't deserve you like I do. I've tried so hard to forget you, my